they need a quarterback sneak. There it is. There we go. Good job, Wyatt!
Come on, baby boy.
First down. Touchdown. Yes, sir. Mr. McGregor, what you got? Go, Lex. Touchdown. Quarter down 6. 3 minutes 50 left. Driving.
There you go. Keep on.
1 yard for the first down. Calls his own number. 8. Keeps it himself. He's throwing it. He keeps it. He's keeping it. Oh. Laying away. Good decision. That's a touchdown. That's a first down. Mr. McGregor at quarterback. 1 minute, 54 seconds and counting. Fourth quarter, down 6. 2nd and 1.
I know. I don't know.
Second and a go.
Yeah, exactly. You're fine.
All right, come on. Game. The game, Wyatt.
Second that clock up. 1 minute, 25 and counting.
Game winner, baby.
Flips it to Carter. He's gonna lose yards. McGregor rushing into 23 seconds. 21, 22, 19, 18. He's got him set. Snaps it, deads the ball. Good move. Here comes McGregor at quarterback. Down 6, game on the line. 4th and 10. Mr. McGregor at quarterback.